In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your password in Pipedrive. Whether you're updating your credentials for added security, or simply refreshing your login information. Changing your password is an essential task that you should know how to perform. I'm going to guide you through this process step by step, ensuring it's as straightforward and seamless as possible. Let's start by heading over to Pipedrive's website. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the official Pipedrive page. Once you're there, look for the Login button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on this button to begin logging into your account. After clicking Login, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. Input your email address and password, followed by clicking on the Login button to access your Pipedrive homepage. Now that you're logged in, let's move on to the next step. Navigating to your profile section. On your Pipedrive homepage, locate your profile avatar, which is typically found in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on your avatar to reveal a drop-down menu and select Profile. This will take you to your profile settings. In the profile settings, you'll find an option labeled Personal Preferences. Go ahead and click on this option. This will direct you to the Preferences page, providing you access to a range of personal setting configurations. Once you're on the Personal Preferences page, look for the Password and Login option. Selecting this will take you to the dedicated Password Management section. It's here where we'll focus our efforts on changing your password securely. Within this section, you should see an option that reads Reset Password. Click on this option to commence the process of updating your password. You will be prompted to enter and confirm your new password. Be sure to choose a strong password that includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to enhance security. After entering your new password and confirming it, go ahead and save the changes. It's crucial that you remember your new password or store it in a secure password manager to ensure that you'll have continued access to your Pipedrive account without any issues. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your password in Pipedrive. Remember, regularly updating your password is a great practice for maintaining the security of your account. We hope this guide has made the process easy and clear for you. If you have any questions or need further assistance, be sure to check the Pipedrive help section or reach out to their support team for more detailed guidance. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.